Hi everyone, this is practice formative of chapter 4, question number 20. In this question, the diagram shows the seating arrangement in a meeting room of company X. So we have to determine the number of ways 9 workers can be seated during the meeting if there is no condition imposed. Okay, 9 workers. So over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, we will have for part A, since there is no condition imposed, so we have 9 empty seats, and then arrange 9 workers, so 9 factorial. So let's find out what is 9 factorial. So 9 factorial is 362,880. 362,880. So this is the number of ways that 9 workers can sit. Now next, the 3 particular workers must sit in the same row. Now 3 particular workers, we have 9 workers, so we have to split it into 2. One is the 3 particular workers, and this is the 6 others worker. Now the 3 particular workers must sit in the same row. So it could be here or here. Okay, so we have 2 scenarios here. So 3 on the left side, the left of the manager, of the president. Okay, president. Or 3 on the right side of the president. So the right side will be here. This is the left side. Now let's say 3 of them on the left side. So on the left side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chairs. So 5, any of the 5, we place the 3 workers. The remaining will be 6. So 6 P6. Okay. And next, or 3 on the right side of the president. So 4 with P3. And the remaining seat will be now free to the remaining of the 6 workers. So 6 P6. Okay, therefore, let's use the calculator. 5 P3 times 6 P6, which is 6 factorial. $43,200 plus 4P3. So 4P3 and then times with 6P6, which is 6 factorial. 17,280. 17,280. So we add these 2 together. Okay, so we add with 43,200. Okay, the answer is 60,480. 60,480. That's it for question number 20.